In today's video, we'll be looking at how to protect our worksheets in Excel. Open up your Excel worksheet. Now, we want to protect this particular sheet. To do that, click on the Reviews tab at the top of the screen. Now, you select Protect Workbook. You can either protect the sheet or protect the whole workbook. So, select Protect Workbook and you select Protect Structures and Windows. If you use this option, nobody can add, delete or rename your workbook. Now, once you've clicked on it, this will appear and you'll be prompted to insert or input your desired password. Once that is done, you click on OK and you have to re-enter the password for confirmation. Then you select OK. Now, if you right click on your sheet, you would see that the insert options, delete option, rename options, remove or copy, and some options here have been hidden. That means no unauthorized user can use or can make changes in the sheet, and you cannot add another sheet. Now, to unprotect or to remove the password, you click on the Protect Workbook again. You input your password and you select OK. Now it has been unprotected. When you right click, you see the options are now available and on again. So this way you have protected your worksheet and no one or no persons can add or delete anything inside a worksheet. So guys, that's all for the video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.